I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Math-maticTV. So today, another tutorial day. So now I'm going to continue our topic about differential equations. So this tutorial will be the part 2 for my last tutorial about differential equation solved by inspection. So now I'm going to solve another example for differential equation using inspection. So in order again to solve this, you need to familiarize those formula that I give in my last video. So for the number 1, I have here y times y squared plus 1 dx, so plus x times y squared minus 1 dy equal to 0. So first step, distribute the y into the parentheses, so this will become y cubed plus y times dx plus xy squared minus x dy equal to 0. So for the second step, I will distribute the dx, so this will become y cubed dx plus y dx plus xy squared dy, so I will distribute also the dy. So this will become dy minus x dy equal to 0. Now I will combine the similar in our formula. So I'll combine y cubed dx plus xy squared dy plus y dx minus x dy equal to 0. Now I noticed that y dx minus x dy is similar in our formula about the differential of a quotient, which is y over x is equal to y dx minus x dy over y squared. But there's a missing piece here, which is y squared. So how can I put y squared in the denominator so it will balance the equation? So just simply multiply both sides by 1 over y squared. So this will become, so y cubed dx divided by y squared, so this will become y dx, then plus y squared I'm sorry, this is supposed to be x y squared dy divided by y squared, so this will become x dy, y squared will be cancelled, then plus y dx minus x dy over y squared equal to 0. And now you notice that y dx minus x dy over y squared is the differential of x over y rather. So this is the differential of x over y, and y dx plus x dy is also differential of a product, which is the differential of x y. So I can replace now y dx plus x dy by the differential of a product, which is xy, then plus I will replace also y dx minus x dy over y squared by the differential of x over y equal to 0. So this is now our differential equation. Since our formula is dxy equal to y dx plus x dy, and the second one is dx over y equal to y dx minus x dy over y squared. So x dy plus y dx plus x dy is here, so I just replace it by the differential of xy, and the second one is y dx minus x dy over y squared, which is here, so I just replace it by the differential of x over y. So now this will be easy to get the general solution. So to get the general solution, just integrate left and the right side. So this will become integral of dxy plus the integral of dx over y, so equal to 0. And now the integral of dxy is xy plus the integral of x over y is x over y equal to 0. And we can simplify this into xy squared plus x over y equal to c. And we can still simplify this into, if we're going to simplify this further, this will become, by factoring the x, so this will become x equal to cy over y squared plus 1. Yes, this is our general solution. Okay, let's proceed to the second problem. So for the number 2, x dy minus y dx equal to x raised to 4 y dy plus x cubed y squared dx. So first step, x dy, I will just rewrite this dx equal to, so now I will factor out the x cubed y since that's their GCF. So this x cubed y times x plus, so x dy rather, so x dy plus y dx. So if you notice that x dy minus y dx is the differential of a quotient, which is the differential of y over x. So I will just write the formula for the left side. So this is similar from the differential of y over x. So this is equal to x dy minus y dx over x squared. And this for the right side, x dy plus y dx is obviously the differential of a product, which is dxy equal to x dy plus y dx. So I will just use this formula for the left side, but there's a missing piece here again, which is x squared. So it's very easy to put x squared in the denominator by simply multiplying both sides by 1 over x squared. So this will become x dy minus y dx over x squared equal to xy times x dy plus y dx. So since x cubed divided by x squared is x, now I will replace this x dy minus y dx over x squared by the differential of y over x, since it follow the equation. So this will become d y over x equal to xy, and I will replace it by the differential of a product, which is dxy. Now this is very easy to get the general solution by simply integrating both sides. So this will become the integral of y over x equal to the integral of xy with respect to xy also. So our general solution will be y over x equal to what is the integral of xy with respect to xy. So using a power formula, this is equal to 1/2 x squared y squared. So this is our general solution. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please share your thoughts about it by commenting below. And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the other videos, link in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay tuned and see you on my next video. Thanks and God bless.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.